Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Adiatu here, Naturallyads on YouTube. So in today's video, I'm planning for the week beginning September 5th to the 11th, 2022, using this crisp walk kit from HappyStickerDesigns and some autumn tie-dye foil from PlanWithAds. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel before you leave and turn on the bell to be notified every single time I upload. Also, if you didn't already know, I do PR for HappyStickerDesigns, so use my code ADIATU15 to get 15% off of your order and my freebie, which should be changing very soon. So I'm going to let you guys watch me lay down the rest of the base, and then I will be back for the day by day. Okay, so that's the base, so let's get started. So starting with the sidebar, I used some angel wings to note that Queen Elizabeth passed away, and then I noted my maternity leave with another sticker from Bella Planella and a script from PMT stickers. So the first thing I marked is that I was tired AF with a pillow icon from the doodle sheet and a tired AF script from PlanWithAds. I then noted cuddling with my son with the Mick Plan sticker and a cuddle script from HappyStickerDesigns. Then noted getting some breakfast with a icon from Carly Plans, and then I noted that Malik was in his baby walker with this baby feet icon from PlanWithAds. I noted that he was being fussy with this crying baby sticker from Joy of Planning, and then I noted that I was a bit in the mood with this crying sticker from Olive Studio and a mental F breakdown script from PlanWithAds. I then noted watching some Grey's Anatomy with a Derek emoji from the Coffee Monster Co. and a TV binge script from Mick Plans, and then I noted a Plan With Me binge review to play band from the doodle sheet and a Plan With Me binge script also for Mick Plans. On Tuesday, I marked being tired again with bed icon from PlanWithAds and a tired as a mother script from the Honeybee Shop. I then noted my back hurting with this back pain munchkin. I then noted that Malik was grumpy again with a crying baby sticker from Joy of Planning, and then finally I noted breakfast with a sticker from Believer's Creation. The second half of the day, I noted playtime with this Paper Shire sticker. I noted watching more Grey's Anatomy with another sticker. I don't know who this might be George, I don't know, emoji, and a TV binge script also from Mick Plans. I noted that Malik took a nap in his crib, I believe, with the sticker from Believer's Creation and take a nap script from Adorable Amy Designs. And then finally I noted another Plan With Me binge with a planner icon from the doodle sheet and a Plan With Me binge script from Mick Plans. On to Wednesday, I noted having a little breakfast date with my son. That's what I called it because we had it at the same time at the table, with the sticker from Paper Shire and a date script from Goldman and Coco. I then noted calling our solicitors with a phone icon from PlanWithAds. Noted more playtime with another sticker from Paper Shire, and then finally noted that Malik was being a daredevil with a baby sticker from Believer's Creation. I used a heart icon from PlanWithAds to note that he saw a bug and was like really intrigued by it. I used an April emoji from the Coffee Monsters Co. to mark watching more grades with another Mick Plan script. I noted my husband gaming with a Mick Plans duo of a boy playing a game and a J Gaming custom script. And then I noted Malik sleeping on me with a Believer's Creation sticker and a Sleep on Mama script from Mick Plans. On to Thursday, I marked that Malik was stuffing his face with toast this day with a Bubble Bear Studio sticker. I know it'd given him a bath, which was needed after that, with this this vanilla sticker from Papershire and a bath time script from Temple of Craft. I noted YouTube Plan With Me binge with a YouTube play button from Planner Hannah and a Plan With Me binge script from a McPlans. I noted more playtime with a McPlans kid playing with a train or a truck. I noted more TV binge with, I think this is meant to be Richard sticker from the Coffee Monsters Co. and a TV binge script. I then noted my husband having a driving lesson with a car icon from Plan Hannah. Then I noted that the Queen passed away this day with a angel wing sticker from SBC, which is the same one I used in the sidebar. Next, on to Friday, I noted that I was annoyed at something with this sticker from Pink Diamond Planner Co. I then used this breakfast sticker from the Carly Plans to note eating breakfast. I then noted cuddling with my son with this sticker from McPlans and a cuddle up script from Adorable Amy Designs. And then I noted more playtime with another sticker from Papershire. I noted watching more Grey's Anatomy with this maybe Jackson sticker from the Coffee Monsters Co. and a TV binge script from SBC. I noted Plan With Me binge with a YouTube play button from Planner Hannah and a Plan With Me binge script from McPlans. And then finally noted being super tired with a pillow icon from the Crafty Planner Co. and a Tired as a Mother script from the Honeybee Shop. On Saturday, I marked sleeping in with these pajama stickers from the Crafty Planner Co. and a sleeping script from Planner Hannah. I noted Malik being with his dad with this sticker from Papershire and a with Papa script from Tilly Journals. Then used this Beneva's Creation breakfast sticker to note ordering in breakfast. I then used the sticker from the Doodle Sheet to note a YouTube binge, which was probably a Plan With Me binge. And I used the YouTube binge script from Planner Hannah. I noted watching more Grey's Anatomy with a Papershire April sticker. And then I watched TV script from SBC. And then I noted more playtime with a Whimsy sticker. And then finally noted cuddling Malik with a McPlan sticker and a script from SBC. On Sunday, I marked being tired as a mother with a sleeping sticker from Sweet Ava's Paper and a Tired as a Mother script from the Honeybee Shop. Then marked bath time with another Papershire sticker and a bath time script from Temple of Craft. Then I got some breakfast, or made some breakfast with it, and I used another Carly Plan sticker. And then I noted a Plan With Me binge with a planner. I don't remember the name of the shop, and a Plan With Me binge script from It Plans. I then noted watching more Grey's Anatomy with the Plane Crash sticker from the Coffee Monsters Co. and a Watch TV script from SBC. I noted more playtime with another Whimsy sticker. Then I noted cuddling with another McPlan sticker and a cuddle script from HappyStickerDesigns. And finally, I noted my husband gaming a boy gaming sticker from McPlans. So that was the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Be sure to give me a thumbs up if you liked it and comment down below what you thought of this spread. And I shall see you in the next one. Bye.